Hi there, and welcome to Behind the Yellow Door at Two Friends. This week, we are doing a store refresh. So come on in and let me show you what's happening. Hey there, so glad y'all are here with us tonight. As you can see behind me, we are in the middle of a store refresh and taking inventory. We've got our carpenters and painters here getting ready for a fresh new 2019. Moving and grooving. I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes so you can get a taste of what's happening here in the store. I think you're going to be so excited to come in this new year. Now, I want to also tell you about a sweet friend of mine. His name is Rees Carroll. He is the coolest dude ever. He has a big old heart, and he's got a heart for God, which we really love. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what he does, and then I'm going to let you meet him. We're here this morning with Rees Carroll of Operation Bedspread. Guys, let me tell you what Rees does. Rees services the South Georgia area in providing folks who need a bed, who need a mattress, who need a pillow, who need a blanket, who need fresh sheets. He provides them with beds. Not only does he take our slightly worn beds, he has those cleaned by Service Master here on the island, and then he shares those with people in need. But he also takes donations and will go out and purchase brand new beds for folks who need them. That was our giving spot this year. We felt like we needed to support Rees in his ministry. We were so excited to be able to partner with him and send beds to people in our South Georgia area. Now, I want y'all to meet Rees, because if you've ever been to Mullet Bay, you can see on a shirt, you probably have met him there. He is the head bartender there. He takes great care of all of his clientele. And again, Rees, we're so excited to be able to partner with you this year, and look forward to a great partnership in the year to come. Tell us a little bit about why this is important to you.
When I started Operation Bedspread, I was looking for something with some meaning. I was managing a bank and I was miserable. And I prayed for something that meant something to somebody. I was mentoring a child at St. Simon's Elementary that's being bussed over from Dixville in Brunswick. He was falling asleep in class, and that was it.
He needed somewhere to sleep.
He needed sleeping on the floor next to his sister. So 878 beds later, in 7 years, here we are.
878 beds later, here we are. Y'all, thanks for following along. Thanks for supporting Two Friends throughout the year. I just want you to know that we have a big heart. We give back to our community, and we are excited to do that thanks to your generosity of supporting us. As you can see, it's been a really fun, busy week here at Two Friends. Now, we're not certain. We thought we were going to be able to be open on Monday, but now it looks like it could be Tuesday or Wednesday before we're open. The painters still have some last minute things that have to be done on our floors before we can get back in here and get things put together for you. As you can see, we got a lot of fun things happening. Now, Erica and I are headed to market on Tuesday. We'll be there Tuesday through Sunday at America's Mart in Atlanta. And we would love to know if there is something special that you would like to see us look for while we're there. Now, you can comment below, let us know what you're thinking. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're going to be doing some fun things throughout 2019, and we want you to know exactly what's happening here at Two Friends. Have a great week, and we'll see you as soon as we get back from Atlanta.